Hi everyone, I am Ben Erel Roselio Lamanilao from INF 240 and my professor Mr. Brian Nepomuceno. My inspiration from this comic script comes from my own experience of overcoming a challenging in math. I wanted to show how even something as seemingly complicated to understood and even find the right approach, the struggle and the moment are relevant experience from for many students. This comic strip relates to several concepts in mathematics. First, it highlights the importance of understanding formula and how to apply them. It also shows how similarly abstract concepts can be used to solve real-world problems like calculating and circumference of a circle. Finally, it shows the importance of perseverance and seeking help when needed. Even though I had difficult at first, I was able to overcome the challenge with a little help from my friends. Hmm. I hope my comic strip is both entertaining and education. Learning math can be challenging, but with patience, practice, and little help from our friends, we can all succeed. Thank you.